Unity AI open beta is insane. Here's everything you need to know. What if you could build an entire game, the code, the assets, the scenes, just by talking to your editor? No more Googling for hours, no more copy pasting scripts from Stack Overflow, no more getting stuck because you don't know how to do one thing. What if your game engine just knew what you wanted? That's not a dream anymore. That's Unity AI, and it just went into open beta. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. I help people learn AI tools and actually use them in their work. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what Unity AI does, how to get started today, and real ways you can use it to move faster as a developer or creator. Let's go. What is Unity AI? Unity is one of the biggest game engines on the planet. Millions of developers use it to build games, apps, simulations, and interactive experiences. And up until now, using Unity well meant knowing a lot. C as, the editor, scene management, components, prefabs, all of it. Unity AI is their answer to the question, what if AI could handle the hard parts? It's a built-in agentic assistant that lives right inside the Unity editor. It knows your project, it knows your scene, your assets, your settings, your target platforms, and it uses all of that context to actually help you get things done. Not in a generic way, but in a Unity-specific way. This isn't a chatbot bolted onto the side of your editor. This is an AI tuned specifically for Unity workflows, grounded in your project context. And according to Unity, that means more relevant answers, better task execution, and fewer retries compared to using a general-purpose AI model for the same tasks. It's now in open beta. As of May 2026, Unity AI has officially launched into open beta. That means it's available right now for all developers on Unity 6 and above. Before this, access was limited. Now anyone can jump in. And this is one of those moments where being early matters. Getting familiar with this tool now, before it becomes standard practice, puts you ahead. I'll show you how to get started in a minute. But first, what does it actually do? The three pillars of Unity AI. There are three main pieces to Unity AI. The first is the in-editor AI agent. This is the core. It's an agentic assistant you talk to directly inside the Unity editor. You tell it what you want, it acts on it. It can inspect your game objects and components, understand your scene hierarchy, make changes to your project, and verify those changes behave correctly. It has three modes: Ask, Agent, and Plan mode. Plan mode is the one I'd highlight. Before the agent does anything significant, it shows you exactly what it's about to do. You read the plan, you approve or adjust it, and then it executes. You stay in control the whole time. The second piece is the AI gateway. This is for people who already have their own AI subscriptions, Claude, GPT, Gemini, whatever. The gateway lets you connect your preferred tools directly into the Unity editor with your own key, your model working inside Unity with the same deep project context as Unity's own agent. And importantly, using a third-party agent via the gateway does not consume Unity credits. The third piece is the MCP Server, Model Context Protocol. This lets you control the Unity editor from outside of it, from your IDE, from VS Code, from Cursor, from any LLM application that supports MCP. So if you prefer to stay in your code editor, you don't have to change your workflow. Unity responds to your instructions from wherever you're working. Generators and asset creation. On top of the agent, Unity AI includes generators. These let you create placeholder assets directly inside the editor. Materials, sounds, cube maps, 2D sprites, 3D assets, and more. The idea is you can turn designs, images, or visual references into project-ready assets without leaving Unity. You describe what you need, the generator creates it, you keep building. The launch trailer shows this in action. It's worth watching if you haven't seen it yet. Profiler analysis. Here's a feature developers are going to love. Unity AI can analyze your profiler captures. Digging through profiler data to find what's causing lag or frame drops is painful work. Unity AI can look at that data and give you instant optimization suggestions, helping you clear bottlenecks without spending hours manually investigating. For solo developers or small teams without a dedicated performance engineer, this is a real-time saver. When I first started working with AI tools, I was honestly overwhelmed. So many options, hard to know what actually worked versus what was hype. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It helped me figure out which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. Real use cases, practical implementations, no fluff. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. A few things worth knowing on the trust side. By default, your data is not used to train Unity's AI models. If you want to opt into that, you can do it through the Unity dashboard, but the default is private. AI-generated assets get tagged automatically, so you always know what came from the agent versus what you built yourself. You can review everything, and you can undo changes at any time. The agent doesn't silently make modifications, you always have the ability to roll back. You can also set permissions to control how much autonomy the agent has. Hands-on or more hands-off, your call. How to get started. It's simpler than you might think. You need Unity 6 or newer. This does not work on older versions. Once you have Unity 6 open, click the AI button in the editor and install the assistant package. Make sure your project is linked to a Unity cloud project. That's what gives the agent its context. For access, Unity personal users can start a free trial, which gives you 1,000 credits one time to use within 14 days. Unity Pro, Enterprise, or Industry subscribers already have access included. Just install the assistant package, no extra steps. If you want to connect your own third-party AI subscription via the AI gateway instead, start by installing the assistant package, then connect your preferred model. Again, using a third-party agent through the gateway doesn't use Unity credits. Real use cases. Here's how this actually plays out in practice. You hit a bug and don't know why two objects aren't colliding. Instead of spending 45 minutes debugging, you ask the agent. It inspects your scene, checks your components, finds the issue, tells you how to fix it. You're prototyping a new mechanic. You describe it in plain language. The agent writes the script, attaches it to the right object, sets the parameters. You test it, tell the agent what to adjust, it updates. You're iterating at a completely different speed. You've got a profiler capture full of performance issues. You hand it to the AI. It tells you which ones are the real problems and how to address them. So you're tackling actual bottlenecks instead of guessing. You're a designer, not a coder. You want to try a mechanic but don't know CSAL. You describe it. The agent writes the code. Your idea gets tested without you needing to learn programming first. Tips. Use plan mode. Before anything big, it shows you exactly what the agent is going to do. Read it, make sure it makes sense, then approve. This keeps you in control and avoids unexpected changes. Check the AI asset tags. Unity marks everything the agent creates. Review those assets before you ship. Quality control is still your job. If you already have a preferred AI tool, try the AI gateway first, your existing model inside Unity with project context. You might find you don't need anything extra. If you live in your IDE, set up the MCP server. Keep your existing workflow and let Unity respond from there. Link your project to a cloud project from the start. Without it, the agent is working without context. With it, it knows your project inside and out. Wrapping up, Unity AI is in open beta right now, available to all developers on Unity 6. Built-in AI agent tuned for Unity workflows, AI gateway to connect your own tools, MCP server for IDE control, generators for assets, profiler analysis, undo, tagging, and permission controls built in. Unity built this to keep you in the director's chair. The AI helps you move faster and try more. The creative decisions stay with you. The developers who learn these tools early are going to have a real edge in how quickly they can prototype, build, and ship. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid, practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI.